guys, what's up? It's Brianna, and this is my brother, Lewis. You're not gonna say your name?
No, man.
Okay. Anyways, but if you guys don't already know him, this is my brother. Yes, he's 16 and he is single. I just have to put that out there in every video that you're in. I said it in our mukbang video. If you guys didn't see that video, I'll put it in the links below. So promo.
Good food.
It was good though, although they messed up our shakes, remember? But anyways, today we're going to be trying some candy. And it's not your ordinary American candy. This is Japanese candy. We got this at megacon. Let's just hop right into trying the candy. The first thing we're gonna try is this. Is that okay?
Sure.
Okay. Obviously, it is all in Japanese, I think, and we cannot read that. So we're just gonna try it. This is what they look like. I don't know what to expect, honestly. Maybe something similar to like a rock candy on a stick.
I'm guessing it's just gonna be a sugar. Just pure
Ugh. It smells like alcohol. I don't know what that smells like. I'm just kidding. What is alcohol?
It smells like sugar, bro.
Okay, I don't want to try by the green one. I feel like the green ones are gonna be bad. This is what the green one looks like. Sorry about the lighting, by the way. We're improvising. We literally have this light up here.
I showed you the green one. There's a pink one. Oh,
oops.
Dropped one.
I dropped the one that we need.
There's a white one. Then there's an orange one. All right. I got the one I'm gonna eat. I'm gonna eat these two.
Okay, I'm just gonna eat this pink one. Oh, the pink is grape. Grape candy is so gross. It literally tastes like medicine.
Just pure sugar. Yeah, that's just sugar.
And with the white one, it's coconut.
I just ate a white one. There's sugar.
Is this literally the sugar?
The sugar.
I'm gonna try every flavor. No, the green one is so gross.
Is it?
Oh my god. That's so gross, you guys. I'm gonna try the orange one now. Oh, orange one's gross too.
The green one does have a tang to it, but it's not disgusting. Anyways, on a scale of 1 to 10, how do you rate those?
I like the pink one. The white one is okay. The green and orange one are gross, so I'm gonna give this a 2 out of 10.
A 2 out of 10? Really?
Yeah.
Well, I like all of them. Like, they're all good, but...
Our video gets interrupted. Okay, what do you rate them?
I will rate them a solid 5 out of 10.
Okay. Alright, I'm gonna let you pick the next one.
Alright, I'm gonna go with... Sure, I wanna go with these.
Okay, might as well.
So we got these. I don't know what they are. They could be chocolates, could not be. But we got multiple of them.
They could be like mongoose. It's like some like kind of candy. I don't even know if that's what they're called. In
Designs and stuff on them.
Oh, this one has like a penguin. Oh, it's like gum.
It's like taffy.
This gum? Yeah, that's what I thought it was. It might be gum though.
Ready? 3, 2, 1.
What the hell? It's like slimy.
That's good as fuck.
It's like a gummy.
That's actually so good though. I'll take the last one for myself, don't think.
Sorry for the smacking videos. Or smacking for.
What's that flavor?
I don't know what your tongue is on, like what planet it's on, but this is gross.
It tastes good. Tripping.
Let's just go with this one. I want to get like all the boring-ish ones out of the way just because why not? These look like little marshmallows that would come in your cereal.
I really hope they're just like marshmallows from cereal. Like that'd be so delicious.
And they come in like a weird triangle packaging. Oh yeah, they're soft. They're probably marshmallows.
Holy shit.
Oh, frick.
Oh yes.
Oh my god, it's like a mini marshmallow. It's so cute.
Legit.
It's just a marshmallow.
Look, that's actually so good though.
Oh my god, I give these spills them everywhere. Okay.
Good job.
Okay. Okay. So we're basically gonna split these in half because these are good. I'm gonna just give these like an 8 out of 10. I would give them a 10 out of 10, but like they're kind of hard to eat because they're so tiny. They're cute and it tastes just like marshmallows, so that's why I'm giving it 8 out of 10. What do you rate them?
I'm gonna have to give it a 3 out of 10.
Why?
Only because of the fact that that was a small pack. That's like one marshmallow.
True.
Okay, you would only want to use that in like hot chocolate or something. No idea what these are.
But they're little gummies. I hope they're good.
They're grape. I know that for a fact.
I was
There's a grape on them.
No. I feel like they're gonna be bad, but I hope they're good.
You know, it could not be candy. It could just be a toy. Could be tripping.
But it looks like a gummy. See, that's what they look like. I'm sorry if I'm like blinding you. How the hell did you do that?
Oh, it smells like medicine.
I smell that.
It smells like medicine.
Oh gosh, this is like a really hard seal. You just peel it, but it's okay. God, mine like came right out of it.
Oh, did it? Oh, I got mine.
Oh my god. Oh my god. What does this smell like?
That's grape medicine right there.
No,
That's
this smells like Welch's grape juice.
Oh, it does. That's actually really good.
This is like a really sticky
Yo, I hope
candy.
it tastes like that.
You know what I think like this feels like? You know those sticky hand things that you would like stick on the wall?
I was thinking that. Chill,
That's what this freaking reminds me of.
Yo, alright, you ready? You ready?
Yeah.
3. I'm only gonna take a bite of this.
Yeah.
Alright, 3, 2.
Me too. I was gonna do that. Stop.
Are you ready? 3, 2, 1. It's kind of good.
Yeah, it's good actually. I like it. Let me eat the swirl part. But my question is, why would they just give you one? Maybe like they come in a package.
They probably come in a package. Yeah. Like I know these come in a package.
Because I would want more than just one.
Right.
Those are good. I would eat those. I rate that like a good. I think I'm gonna give that a 10 out of 10.
10 out of 10. 7 out of 10.
Why 7?
I just wouldn't prefer that. Not my style.
I like it. All right, my turn, I guess, right?
Yeah.
Let's go for these.
The ones I was just talking about.
The Kit Kats. These are peppermint flavored, premium mint flavor. My bad.
Okay, excited for these.
Yeah, they just look like this, and then the back of them, this is like this. I wish they would have gave us the green tea ones because I would have been like, yes, I've always wanted to try those. Here you go. I wonder what the Kit Kat's gonna look like. Is it gonna be like green or white? It's just regular.
Oh, it's just brown.
It's just a regular brown Kit Kat. I was expecting a colorful one. Yeah, it smells like mint. You know what this? It kind of smells like a peppermint.
New York peppermint patty.
No, it just
Drops it on the ground. All right, you ready for the what you gotta do with Kit Kat?
Wait, where is the speaker?
On the side.
I
Don't know if you heard it.
Yeah. Oh! Oh wait, look at inside. It's green.
Well, I did a perfect. Hers is falling apart. I did a perfect cut, so mine's not falling apart.
It's green on the inside. That's cool.
Well, you want to try mine so yours fell apart?
I know, mine like just fell apart. Like,
well, here, try mine.
That's fine.
Well, try mine. It's a perfect one.
Okay, so I'm just gonna put those there. Hopefully it doesn't melt. Okay, trying this. Ready?
3,
2, 1.
That's,
it's like a peppermint patty.
That's good.
But Kit Kat format, obviously.
That is good.
You want those?
Yes, I do.
Here you go. Literally broke everything. I just want this tiny piece. You can have the big piece.
Now there's only one of these, but I've already tried it. So I'll give you my opinion at the end, but I'm gonna let her try it.
I'm kind of excited. This is like lemon chewy, or not chewy, lemon tablet. What is it called? Hard candies.
Yeah, lemon hard candy. Something like an old lady would have in her purse. So.
Yeah, those are just your basic lemon candy.
Good, man.
Looks good though.
Alright, so what do you give it?
It's actually really good. Maybe like a 7 out of 10.
Say 6 out of 10, because lemon's not my favorite flavor.
I love lemon, especially in donuts. Lemon filled donuts.
Lemon donuts,
so good.
Yeah, they're good. Alright, your turn.
I need to take this out. I'll just use after the video. Alright.
Down to 3 left.
Might as well just try the other lemon thing.
Alright, might as well keep it on a roll.
This is a lemon bar.
No, there's
Have no idea. Also, by the way, if you can read any of this, please let me know down in the comments what these say, because I'm curious, honestly.
If you have the spare time.
Right. Oh.
Yeah, I told you it wasn't 3 of them left.
That's weird. They look like little eggs. That's kind of what they are. I wonder what this is gonna be. It smells lemony. What if this is gum?
It might be.
Alright, ready? 3, 2, 1. Oh, this looks like gum. But it's like creamy. This is gum.
Is it gum?
Ooh, it's sour.
It's not sour.
I like it.
I don't want to swallow it because I don't know if it's gum or not.
I think it's gum. It's good. It's sour though. The flavor's lasting a long time.
Alright. Moving on to the next one. Actually, we gotta give it a rating.
Oh yeah.
Alright, what do you give it?
Honestly, a 9 out of 10.
Honestly, I was thinking the same thing.
It's so good.
The thing actually was really
I don't want to stop chewing it. I think it is gum though.
Yeah, it is good. Yeah, it's gum, definitely. There is one left, I don't know.
I want that one, please.
Alright, here's it. Not right now.
Oh no, obviously. I don't even want to stop chewing this one. It's so good.
I think I'm gonna go with this one. Now, I think these are just gonna be Pop Rocks, but
Yeah, me too.
good surprise, man. I don't know. We're about to find out right now. Oh shoot. I'll be back.
He's gonna go grab some scissors.
Definitely just Pop Rocks.
Wait, I want to see. Whoa, they're like really chunky.
Ready to light. Okay.
They're like purple, green, and pink. So shiny.
You try some?
You're trying like a piece of that.
Yeah, I'm gonna try like a chunk a little.
Me too.
Alright.
3, 2, 1.
They're not Pop Rocks.
Yeah, they are.
Yeah, they are. Take a minute. I like Pop Rocks.
I love Pop
I'm
Rocks.
eat a big chunk.
Well, it takes a second. I'm gonna do all of this.
Shit.
Might as well.
I'm gonna do all this. Alright, you ready? 3,
No.
7, 6,
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We're
HQ.
going
No,
on a
HQ
trip
sponsor
in
us.
our
Come on.
favorite
Alright,
rocket
ready?
ship, moving through the sky.
Ready?
I said moving, it's zooming.
Alright,
Alright,
3,
3, 2, 1. We're already private. Oh. I got a really sour piece.
What did you do? Oh well. That was good. Alright. Now.
Our last and
No.
final.
Wait. Gotta rate it.
Oh yeah.
What do you rate it?
10 out of
10?
10. It's
Yeah,
just the
10 out of
basic
10.
Pop
Pop Rocks
Rocks.
are really good, bro.
Pop Rocks. And I really like the
If
flavor
you don't
of
fuck
them.
with Pop Rocks, you can't fuck with me. I mean.
I love Pop Rocks, and actually those taste really good. Like the flavor of them are really good. A nice little bonbon. We saved this one last just because this is like the most popular one out of all of them. Honestly, I'm really excited to try this. Aren't you?
Very excited. I've never had a bonbon before.
Neither have
so
I.
hyped.
And it is once again Japanese on the back. And this has the expiration date, which is 10/2018. So October 2018, this will be.
Well, let's get it. I don't
Honestly,
even know what it looks like.
I was about to say, I don't even know what it is. Is it chocolate?
I don't know. We're about to find out, I guess.
We're about to find out, I guess. Oh, that's like weird. That's like double packaged.
Oh, it's bonbon. It's good. It's like they gotta double seal it so they can hide it from everyone.
Trying to do the honors so everyone can see it at once. Yep, it's chocolate.
Yes, I love chocolate.
Me too.
Get that from my grandma. My grandma loves chocolate.
Ooh. Just like a circle, chocolate. There has to be something inside of it.
Yeah, we're gonna split it in half so you're gonna be able to see what's inside of it.
Alright, so I'm cutting it in half with my nail.
Don't break it.
It's breaking, bro.
The nail.
I think we should just eat it. Take a bite. It's not splitting. Just take a bite. I'll just take a bite.
Alright, fine. Thank you for it.
We're brother and sister, you guys. This is not gross. Like a wafer cookie inside.
It's a wafer.
It's good. It's kind of like a Kit Kat.
It's chocolate wafer. I didn't eat the rest of it. I'm sorry.
No, you're fine.
That's actually really good. I would have to say, on my personal rating, 11 out of 10.
I give it a 8 out of 10 just because I don't really like chocolate like that. Like, I like chocolate, but like right now I'm not in the mood for it. So like, I'm actually about to eat this again. Honestly, what's your favorite thing?
I would have to say, since I just gave that an 11 out of 10, I would have to say that because I do love a wafer.
Right.
And those are really good to me.
Honestly, I think I like the gum the most.
The gum?
Mm-hmm.
Those were really good though. I cannot lie.
But I'm gonna suck on this again. This is really good. Alright, ready? Make the outro.
Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you leave a comment. Click that like button. Also subscribe if you want more. I might be in the next video. I don't know. Who knows? If you want more, you know, just comment. I don't know.
Single, hit him up. I'll have his Instagram below. You can hit him in the DM.
Or don't.
So, like he said, if you like this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe down below to my channel to see more videos of mine. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.